Good morning, students, and welcome to Canam Ed Talks. Today, I'm with Mr. Puneet Gupta, the Chief Operating Officer for ATMC, who today is in Melbourne campus of ATMC. Welcome to Australia. Puneet, lovely to have you back in Australia from India.
Thank you, Wendy. Thank you so much. And it's chilling out here. I came from a temperature of 52 degrees where it is just the opposite, but I'm really loving the weather. It's too freezing out here, but it's chilling it, and I'm really enjoying it here. Yeah.
Welcome to Melbourne winter. Actually, many Indian students tell me that they really do love the change in temperature, our winter. So let's talk about Western Sydney University. ATMC runs the Melbourne campus of Western Sydney University. Western Sydney University is considered a high-ranking university. So tell us a little bit about Western Sydney University.
Thank you, Wendy. So Western Sydney University is shining on the global stage and with a very impressive ranking nowadays. So it's number one for the consecutive 2 years in a row, 2022 and 2023, according to the Times Higher Education Impact Ranking. It is in top 2% of the universities worldwide, according to the Times Higher Education World University Ranking, which places Western Sydney amongst the elite institutions. And now Western Sydney is also ranked in the top 300 universities globally in the QS World University Rankings, which is a testament to our rigor and innovation, academic rigor and innovation. So we have recently celebrated top 250 universities worldwide for graduate employability by QS ranking, ensuring our graduates are highly sought after by employers. And now we have featured in top 100 universities under 50 years old by the Times Higher Education Young Universities ranking, which highlights our dynamic and forward-thinking approach.
That's so impressive, Puneet. It's wonderful to hear. So Western Sydney, the Melbourne campus, offers courses that are going to shape the future of the world. They offer a Master of Artificial Intelligence as well as a Bachelor of Information and Communication. Now, with these courses, what are the employability outcomes of these courses and the job prospects for students?
So the future is incredibly, very, very bright for these graduates because of our cutting edge programs, which we are offered at Western Sydney University Melbourne campus. One of the major reasons, Wendy, is that we have got the skyrocket demand for these sectors. The industry is booming for AI and ICT professionals across every imaginable sector you can think of, from tech giants to innovative startups. In Australia alone, the AI demand is set to be surged by 22% in the next 5 years. If we talk about the salaries, they have got fantastic salaries for all the graduates who can, look forward for starting impressive salaries. For instance, AI professionals in Australia can start with around $100,000 per year. And that's a great start, to be honest. And in order to have skills which students can gain, that is not a passport to Australia only, it's a passport to the world. The global AI market is now projected to hit around, $190 billion by 2025, which opens the doors everywhere in the world. Also, these courses have got endless opportunities. The tech industry is among the fastest growing sectors. In Australia, the ICT industry contributes more than $100 billion to the economy annually, ensure that we have got plenty of opportunities and the career growth.
That's amazing, Puneet. And as you said, it's not just Australia, but it's worldwide. But if it's by 2025 and you're offering a master's degree is 2 years. So you're talking about those jobs being available when they finish their course, as well as extremely high salary. So it's a great return on investment on the course that they're going to be studying. Now, tell me, with the Western Sydney University Melbourne campus, what support do students get when it comes to employability and getting some sort of work experience? Is that available?
Yeah, absolutely. At Western Sydney University Melbourne campus, we are committed to your success in both during the studies and after graduations. Western Sydney Melbourne campus is partnered with industry leaders, which provide internships and practical placements, giving you hand-on experiences, and that is invaluable. We give the real world experience to all our students who come and study with us. Our dedicated career services team is here to help you to craft the perfect resume, ace your interviews, and land your dream jobs. We have got the connection with the industry professionals at our regular networking events. We arrange a lot of workshops, guest lectures, and imagine learning directly from the experts like from Google, Microsoft, IBM, and many more. So it's a networking opportunities are tremendous here in the campus. We are giving a lot of alumni network to all our existing students with a vibrant alumni community and access to ongoing career support and networking opportunities worldwide. Currently, we are offering only two intakes a year, which is March and July. So
Wow.
March intakes application generally close by end of January, which is in the last week of January. So don't miss out those opportunities. And for July, application close by third or fourth week of May. So it's two intakes which we are, running at Western Sydney Melbourne campus currently.
Okay, so that means that students really need to start getting their applications in for 2025.
Yes. So the next intake which is available is March 2025, and we have started accepting the applications for all of our students across the globe for both courses.
With a cutoff date of January 2025.
Yes, please.
Okay. Well, we will make sure that our students are made very much aware of the great opportunities at Western Sydney University Melbourne campus, the great career support, the jobs of the future. And I think we'll come back and we'll talk about this more at a later date about the course and about where AI is taking careers and the change it's going to impact on anyone who is now considering studying and looking at employability. So thank you for joining me from Melbourne today, Puneet. Really great. And I look forward to maybe catching up with you soon to talk more about AI and the impacts it's going to have on industry and jobs of the future.
Thank you, Wendi. It was a pleasure talking to you. Thanks a lot.
Right, thank you for joining me on Ed Talk today.
Thank you.